The new Gemini AI Nano Banana update just changed the game for print on demand. For all of you struggling with your designs, the quality of the AI designs you can get with this new update is actually insane. I tested it out and creating my print on demand designs almost feel effortless now. Let me show you how to make quality designs using Nano Banana, and then we're going to take those designs and I'll guide you step by step on how to use it to start your own print on demand business. Okay, here we are in Google AI Studio. This is where I'm going to access the Nano Banana, as you can see right here, and we're going to see what we can do. So I'm going to pull up a design. Okay, so I pulled up this graphic of a football with some florals inside of it, kind of matching a fall color palette. We're going to see if we can change this into a pumpkin. So I'm going to write my prompt here. So I've typed in change to be a pumpkin. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, guys, and in just 12 seconds, it came up with the exact same pattern, but we've got it inside of a pumpkin like we asked for. All I put was change to be a pumpkin, and with that simple prompt, we were able to get a beautiful new graphic matching the exact same pattern, just as a pumpkin instead. What we're going to do now to see what it can do, we're going to try to change the colors. Change the color palettes to be shades of pink. Let's see what it does. And in 11 seconds, we got a new pumpkin with the exact same pattern. As you can see, the flowers are literally in the same position, just with a new color palette matching shades of pink like we asked it for. And this one was done in 11.2 seconds. And if you guys have ever used an AI generator to generate images, you know how long this usually takes. So this is very quick. We're able to get these changes done. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start with a new image. Okay, so here we have this graphic of a leaf that has like a patchwork style to it. We're going to see if we can change this graphic to maybe say a word instead. So let's see what we can do. So I put change to say fall instead of being a leaf. Let's see what it does. Okay, guys, and in 13 seconds, it's taking the exact same pattern and literally just put it in the text of saying fall instead. This is literally like amazing. So we've got the exact same pattern inside. We even got the outline that we had on our original leaf going around the text, and we've got it to say exactly what we want to say, fall. This is beautiful. What I'm going to try next is I'm actually going to go back to our initial photo here, and I'm going to branch from here and try something else. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a prompt that's going to change the leaf into a snowflake and see if we can get a more winter pattern going on. So change the leaf into a snowflake and change the pattern and outline to be winter themed. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, guys, and in only 10 seconds, we've got this. We've got a beautiful snowflake, completely winter themed. We can see little mini snowflakes inside instead of little leaves, so it matches the winter theme we've gone for, and the colors completely changed. It also changed the outside to be like a silver gray, which exactly matches the color theme. We've even got little trees over here. This is just absolutely beautiful. If you guys think about the power this truly has, like you can very quickly change your pre-existing designs into completely new designs to match a new holiday or season, which is sometimes very stressful to get that many designs out, but this could be so beneficial. Okay, I'm gonna start with one more image. Okay, so we got the hello, we got the fall vibes, and we're gonna see if we can get this one changed to be winter themed. This one's gonna be a little tricky because I'd have to change the text as well as the graphics inside and maybe the color as well. We've also got some leaves that would have to be taken out, so let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you actually kidding me? All I put was changes to be winter themed, and look what we've got. I was just talking about how it has to change the leaves. It changed the leaves into snowflakes. Like, what? All the graphics have completely changed. So instead of the bow, we got the mitts. It still has a little bow, but we've got mitts, which is a lot more on trend for winter. We've got a snowman instead of a pumpkin, and the fall type of pumpkin spice latte drink for the fall has changed into a hot cocoa for the winter. Like, this is crazy. It's also went ahead and changed the text to be hello winter magic. What? That is crazy. That is crazy, the power of this. This is absolutely insane. So now you've got these new amazing designs, but now you're wondering, what do you actually do with them? If we want to turn these Nano Banana designs into an actual business, we got to get these designs onto products, onto a site, so we can actually start making money. And that's where today's partner, Hostinger, comes in. I'm going to show you step by step how you can take a design you made with Nano Banana, upload it to real products, and set up your own online store using Hostinger with their Printful integration. Now, this is honestly way simpler than you think, so let's get into it. Here we are on Hostinger's page. So Hostinger builds the site for you in minutes, and with their Printful integration, it'll take care of all the printing and shipping of your products for you so that you can get to focus on the fun part of creating. And that's honestly the beauty of print on demand with Hostinger. And guys, with their website builder, there's everything you need to sell print on demand. You can see it comes with an integration with Printful for all your print on demand needs, all the e-commerce features so you can sell online, and then even other useful AI tools for your site, like the AI store builder to build your site and logo maker to fully build out your business. I'm going to be selecting the 48-month plan because it's cheaper per month and also comes with a free domain, and you get your price locked in at a lower rate. I'll even enter my code Tianna, which you can use as well to get an extra 10% off. Okay, I'm now inside Hostinger's AI website builder, and it's asking for our brand name and a description of our brand or what we're selling. So we're going to go ahead and fill this out. So from this, it's actually going to build out our entire website, our homepage, our About Us page, our product section, all of it done in minutes. So let's see how this works. So here I went ahead and added our brand name and description. It's automatically suggesting us to add an online store to our site. So we're going to go ahead and keep that selected, and we're going to hit create a website. Okay, guys, and here's our website. I want to say that in real time, this literally didn't even take a minute. It took about like 30 seconds, and we have the whole site built. So our site is called Comfy Threads, and it's already got that vibe that we're looking for: cozy apparel, stylish comfort for every season. So it took ideas from the description I gave it earlier. So here you can see we have our entire site here. We got our hero banner, our shop section, about section, contact us section at the top here. We scroll down, we have different categories that our items will be sorted by, placeholders for items that we can add later on, and even a join our community section. And here we can even see what it looks like on mobile, which is of course important because a lot of people are on their phones shopping. Over here, you can see different color palettes that you can choose between, or it says you can pick your colors later. So I'm going to keep the brown theme, because it kind of matches, like, the coziness, and we're going to continue. Here we are in the back end of our store, and the first thing we're going to do is connect Printful. That will allow us to actually have our products be print on demand. So we're going to go on the left side and go to integrations, and the very first one you can see, which is new, is the create and sell custom products with Printful. So we're going to click get started. From here, it'll take us to this page, and we'll click get started again. And we're going to add Printful as an integration. And if you already have a Printful account, you can just log in here. Otherwise, you can use one of these three options to make an account. And once you get logged in or signed up, you're going to authorize the access, so that way our products can be synced with Printful. This part is super easy, and what's amazing about it is that once it's connected, whenever someone orders a shirt, a mug, a sweater, a phone case, Printful will automatically print and ship out that order to the customer without you ever having to touch or see the product. This means the design that you create and set up in your shop can sell over and over again from work that you did one time. So we've got everything synced with Hostinger and Printful, and you can see here it says to create your first product. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So it's going to open up Printful's site, and you can see all the items that Printful offers. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the design we made on a sweater. Okay, so I've got a hoodie selected. I'm making sure it's on printed, and we are going to select the color white so that our design can show up, and we're going to start designing. We're going to take one of the designs we made, upload it to Printful, and get it placed on a product. I've got the product all set up on a mockup, and now our product is getting ready to go live on our site. With print on demand, there's no ordering stock that you don't know if it's gonna sell, no endless amount of boxes in your living room or bedroom, no late night post office runs. And what I love about their website builder is you actually get your own free domain. This would mean the link to your site would be like yourshopname.store, which instantly communicates that you're an e-commerce store, and it's also really good for SEO. And when it comes to your products, you're going to need a product description. And if writing product descriptions isn't your thing, which it really never was mine, they have AI tools that can help you with that in seconds. Plus, when you do get sales, there's no transaction fees. Oh my goodness, there are no transaction fees. So you're keeping more of your profit when you sell, which we all know how important that is. So here we are all set up with our print on demand business. We got Nano Banana for the designs. We got Hostinger to host our site. And with this new Printful integration, we got everything we need to get our orders printed and shipped out. Honestly, this is the easiest and most beginner friendly way I've seen to start from an idea and go to actually making a business. A huge thank you to Hostinger for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to try this out for yourself, you can use code Tianna, or I'll have a link in the description for you guys to get a discount off so you can start your print on demand business today. Otherwise, I want you guys to have a beautiful day. Bye, people.